Welcome to Network Today I show up how to new volume create in your machine, and this video is not for all. This video only new user. Okay, now show up. First Windows plus R and you see run window. Now type Diskmgmt.msc, then OK. Disk management option come. Now I create volume. I have 195 GB unallocated space. Now I create new volume. Next, and then I choose Travelator. Next, this is file system is NTFS. If you can, volume name. Next. Okay guys, my volume is ready. Now you can see my volume, new volume, and I can put in here anything. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thank you for seeing my video.